Intelligent lock installation tutorial. Front lock tongue box. Rear lock rubber pad. Front lock rubber pad. Lock cylinder. Battery case. Screw up screw B. Flat washer. Bamboo screw. Key. Waterproof cover. Before installation, please make openings according to the location on the opening diagram. Install lock cylinder. Screw on the screws. Install the front lock rubber pad. Unscrew the screws of the rear lock cover and remove the back cover. Remove the battery box. Install the locking pad after installation. Unscrew the tongue box screws and remove the gasket. Install the lock tongue box gasket. Screw on the screws. Install tongue lock box. Screw on the screws. Before installing the lock, be sure to thread the wires through the door hole first. Come out through the small hole at the back. Then install it. If the front lock direction lock cylinder ruler is too long, it needs to be cut to within 1 centimeter of the indoor door edge. Install bamboo screws with flat washers. The bamboo screw needs to extend beyond the edge of the door by no more than 1 centimeter. Otherwise, it needs to be cut. Tighten the bamboo screw. After installing the lock, first thread the wire through the square hole of the lock and install it. Tighten the screws and secure the lock. Connect the front lock power cord. Install the battery. Install the battery cover. Connect the power cord. Insert it into the rear lock box. Install the lock tongue hole in the correct position. Pay attention to organizing the wires and avoid crimping them. Install the rear lock cover. Screw on the screws. Install waterproof cover. Installation completed.